Have you ever faced a wound and wondered about the right way to care for it? Today, we unravel the art of wound care, from a minor scratch to a deep cut. Let's start with the basics, the proper application of a Band-Aid. A clean wound is a happy wound. Sterilization is your first step to healing. For deeper wounds, pressure is key. Let's learn how to stop the bleeding. When a Band-Aid isn't enough, gauze and tape can secure a larger area. Stitches can be intimidating, but they're crucial for certain injuries. Let's demystify stitches, a careful process that brings tissue together. Infection is the enemy. Here's how to recognize and prevent it. Changing dressings regularly is vital. We'll show you the safe way. Burns require a special touch. Cool water and gentle coverings are key. Allergic reactions to dressings can happen. Know what to look for. Remember, proper wound care is a skill that can save lives and limbs. Empower yourself with knowledge and confidence in wound care. Join us in mastering the essentials of wound care for everyone's well-being.